Hello students. In the previous lecture, we studied chain rule. Chain rule means y is equal to some function in terms of u is given and u is equal to some function of x is given. And then we need to find a dy by dx. This is chain rule. Means one function between y and u is given and another function u and sine x is given. This is one type of question we solve with chain rule. And then another type of question we solve with the help of chain rule, that if ln x square plus 5 is given, how can you find the derivative of y with respect to x? Then we were considering that it is equal to u and breaking this function into two functions. Clear? But if in the exam the second type of question is given, y is equal to ln x square plus 5, there is no need to use chain rule. If they are not asking you solve this question using chain rule, no need to use chain rule. You can solve this question directly. How you can solve this question directly? It is dy by dx. First you need to differentiate the ln. And what is the meaning of ln? The meaning of ln is whatever is written here, it is 1 upon x square plus 5. And then whatever is written inside ln, you need to differentiate it with respect to x. This is. And if you will differentiate x power 2, it is 2x, 5, 0. So 2x upon x square plus 5. Now, if you will solve it using chain rule, first you will let it is equal to u. So y is equal to ln u and u is equal to x square plus 5. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to solve. But using this direct differentiation method without chain rule, you can solve this question within 20 seconds or 30 seconds. So you can save 3 minutes minimum. Okay, so what is the formula? These are the all formulae. What? Derivative of fx power n. Fx power n means if x power 3 is written, what is the differentiation? It is 3x power 2. But if function is x power 3 plus 2x minus 1 power 3, if this is the function, clear? If this type of functions are written, then we use this direct differentiation technique. And what is these direct differentiation technique? These direct differentiation techniques are that if fx to the power n is written, so first you need to differentiate the power. And what is the differentiation? N fx power n minus 1. And then you need to differentiate functions separately. Means if d by dx, if I take you to the next slide, if y is equal to fx to the power n is given, then what is y dash? First you need to differentiate the power. So what is the power? N fx power n minus 1. And then you need to differentiate whatever is written inside. And whatever is written inside is d by dx fx. This is the rule. Clear? If x power 7 is written, no problem. You can directly differentiate it. But if 2x power 7 is written, then first you need to differentiate the power, then you differentiate the 2x, whatever is written. Similarly, this is 1. Number 2, if y is equal to e power fx, e power fx, so what will be y dash? First we'll differentiate e, whatever is e, it is e power fx is e power fx. Then because here it is a function of x, other than x is written, so then you need to differentiate the function fx. So how will you identify these type of questions? To identify these type of questions, if e power x is written, the differential is e power x. But if e power 7x is written, so this is different question. because in place of x it is written 7x. Clear? Now another question I will tell you. If sine x is written, the differential of sine x is cosine x. But if sine in place of x it is x square is written, then direct differentiation technique need to apply. Clear? If ln x is written, the answer is 1 upon x. You just see x, but if ln x square plus 7 is written, then you need to use direct differentiation technique. This is how we can differentiate in various type of function. If 10x is written, what is the differential of 10x? It is sec square x. But if 10, what is written? Here something you may write, ln x is written. In place of x, ln x is written. So you need to find the differential of ln x separately. These are the formulae for direct differentiation technique. If ln is written, so first we'll differentiate ln. So answer is 1 upon fx and then differentiation of fx. So every function you will see the derivative of fx written separately. These are called direct derivation technique, direct differentiation. All formulae are same to same. Whatever function is given, you will differentiate it directly. But here in place of x, something different will be written. Now you will see from the examples. We will solve many examples here. Like the question number 1 is y is equal to e power 3x. What is y dash? Y dash is d by dx e power 3x. So first we will differentiate e. And what is the differential of e? It is same to same. E power x differential is e power x. But here it is not x written. Here it is 3x written. So dear friends, you need to differentiate 3x separately. This is the rule. So e power 3x into, what is the differential of 3x? It is 3 into differential of x is 1. So the answer is 3 e power 3x. Question number 1. Let us take question number 2. Like y is equal to ln x square. So you can see here it is not x, it is x square. Here it was not x, it was 3x. Clear? So y dash is equal to d by dx ln x power 2. So first we will differentiate ln. And what is the differentiate of ln? 1 upon whatever is the function, x power 2. So 1 upon x power 2 into, you need to differentiate x power 2 separately. If it is not x, you need to differentiate that one. So it is 1 upon x square into differential of x power 2. It is 2x2 minus 1. So it is 1 upon x square into 2x power 2 minus 1 is x. So it is 2 upon x, because x power 2 means x into x. 1x cancel. So 2 upon x is the answer. If you take another question, let us take y is equal to sine x power 2 plus 3. So here should be x, but it is not x here. What is written? X square plus 3. So how will you differentiate it? Y dash is equal to, first we will differentiate d by dx, write the complete function sine x square plus 3. First we will differentiate sine. What is the differential of sine? It is cosine. Now because it is different from x, so we will differentiate it x square plus 3. And if you will differentiate it, cos x square plus 3 If you will differentiate it, what it is? X power 2, the differential is 2x, and plus 3, it is 0. So what is the answer? It is 2x cos x square plus 3. This is question number 3. Now let us solve some complex problems. There is no complex problem here. Here all the problems are very, very easy. If y is equal to ln x square plus 3x, y is equal to ln x square plus 3x. So what is the value of y dash? So it is d by dx ln x square plus 3x. So first we will differentiate ln. ln means 1 upon. So x square plus 3x. Clear? Now differentiate, because it is different from x. If it is x, answer is 1 upon x. But it is different from x, so we will differentiate this also. It is equal to, what is the differential of x power 2? 2x, 2 minus 1, it is 1. Plus 3, differential of x is 1. So 2x plus 3, and upon x square plus 3x. Class. This is how you can solve the question. Okay, let us take another question. Y equals to, it is square root x power 5 plus 4x. This is the question. So if this is the question, so dear friends, if it is square root x, we can solve x power 1 upon 2, it is class. Clear? But here inside it is not x. It is something big function other than x. If something different other than x, immediately you need to solve using the direct differentiation method. 1 upon 2. So what is y dash? Y dash is, first you need to differentiate the power. 1 upon x power 5 plus 4x 1 upon 2 minus 1. This is finished. But here it is not x. Here other than x. So you need to differentiate this function also. This is the rule. And is equal to 1 upon 2 x power 5 plus 4x. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. And the differential of x power 5 is 5x power 4. 5x power 5 minus 1, 4. And plus, what is the differential of 4 into x? 4 into x differential is 1. So 4 into 1 is 4. That's all. This is the answer. Clear? So you take any question. You take any question from the exercise. If you find something different, like if I take one question from exercise, what is the question? Question is, let us take 6, and this is last question. Y is equal to 5 sine 3x power 2 plus square root x. This is the question. Now you need to find y dash. So y dash is equal to d by dx 5 sine 3x power 2 plus d by dx. Root x may be written as x power 1 upon 2. Square root x means x power 1 upon 2. Now 5 is a constant, so 5 is out. Now the differential of sine. What is the differential of sine? It is cosine 3x power 2. But here you can see it is other than x. If it is x, answer is cosine x. But it is 3x power 2. So dear friends, you need to differentiate 3x power 2 also. Plus this is 1 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 minus 1. And equals to 5 cosine 3x power 2. And what is the differential of this one? 3 into x power 2. 2x power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2x. And plus 1 upon 2 x power 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. Simplify. 5 into 3, 15. 15 into 2, 30. 30x. Cosine 3x power 2 plus 1 upon 2. And x power minus 1 upon 2 is square root x. With negative sign, so it is downside. Class 30x cos 3x square plus 1 upon 2 square root x. So this is how we can solve the questions with direct method. But you need to remember, you use this technique when in place of x there is something different function is written. Thank you very much.